natural farming, indigenous microorganisms are broad spectrum product used in inoculated deep litter system where we keep pigs in a place where it's not cemented and there's no need of washing the pen every day. Inoculated deep system provides warmth and natural environment for pigs every time, and you find that the pigs enjoy the system. These pigs were put here in February, and we have realized that they are growing very fast because of deep litter. Deep litter needs only sawdust or rice husk